have, for example, using construction section with EPC of 112,844 pesos and 80 centavos, and Tutor ID 2025-03-03 for use in service because of construction section Central Port Bago City with DBC of 252,868 pesos only. Okay, start sa PI number date.
Okay.
PI number 2025-03-022.
Ano sa lula itu wala ni.
Ano yung ba yan?
022 PR number.
Ay, tawag na kayo. Ano na? PI number 2025-03.
Zero na na.
Siya din.
Sa 20? To?
Oo.
Pwede din yan.
Mag-finance sila. Hanapan ka na.
Omnibus law ba?
Omnibus ko yung tawag.
Hindi na baka na hindi na
Ang iba mo, may permit check na kulit ako pagkakuha na sila mo.
ay sabi na sila sa
Oo,
mga
sabi na sila yan.
omnibus yung
Omnibus siya tawagin.
oo. Ano na hindi? 22.
Copy ang number ko sa copy ang number 2025-03-022. We have our leaders, Bago Seal Service Station, Araneta Street, Bago City, Digos Occidental. Omnibus is present in meals permit. The bill amount for Bago Seal Service Station is 221,500 pesos only.
Okay, PI number 25-03-2023. 03-23.
Okay, for PR number 2025-03-023. We have 3 suppliers who submitted their bids, namely Caballero Office Supplies Trading from Silay City, Arto Office Supplies and Equipment Trading, Bacolod City, and Jim Klaji from Bacolod City also. The 3 suppliers have their omnibus sworn statement to be signed, notarized with dry seal. Therefore, we're just going to read the amount submitted by these 2 suppliers. We have an approved budget for the contract of 112,844 pesos and 80 centavos. Okay, for Caballero Office Supplies Trading, the bid amount is 112,150 pesos only. 112,150 pesos only for Caballero Office Supplies Trading. Okay, for Arto Office Supplies and Equipment Trading, the bid amount is 112,800 pesos only. 112,800 pesos only. And for Jim Klaji, the bid amount is 112,400 pesos only. 112,400 pesos only.
Okay, we have the result. Pupunta kay date 25-03-022 and 20-020 number 025-03-023. All bids are subject for posturation by the back working group. Any comment or question? If there is none, the bidding is now adjourned.